Our cars are going green, and so are we. For 70 years, the Swope Family of Dealerships has been making decisions that are good for our community and our business. That's why in 2015, we began our Go Green initiatives by installing LED display lighting. And now, as the automobile industry transitions to electric vehicles, we're kicking our green initiatives into high gear. We're proud to announce that we have just completed solar installations on 3 of our 6 dealerships, plus the Swope Cars of Yesteryear Museum. Together, our solar energy systems will produce enough clean energy to power more than 100 homes and offset 1.3 million pounds of CO2 emissions. That's like planting 9,700 trees. The Swope Family of Dealerships is going green. It's good for our community. It's great for our planet.